The new derailleurs are here. The new parts are here. The new parts are here. Oh, look at this. We got some parts. We got parts. Look at that. Parts in the box here. All the way from China. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? They call it an HM Gearbox R41. Well, yay, we got parts here. This, of course, is the derailleur. But I'll take it out of the bag here and show it to you. It's new Altus Shimano derailleur. It kind of looks like a clone to me. It's a little lighter than a stock one, and it's a little bit different color. This is the one that was on there. As you can see, I probably should have shown from this perspective before so people could see it really is not straight. Look at that. It's kind of more obvious when it's sitting up here. It just kind of rocks back and forth. Interesting. So yeah, it's not quite straight there. And look what else they sent us. This here is more than likely was a thing that's got bent pretty bad. They call it a HMW hanger. Well, it's a derailleur hanger. And of course it goes in the side there. And as you can see, it's just a thin piece of aluminum stuff. And they do their job. These guys bend instead of the derailleur bending. Well, this one got hit so bad that the derailleur itself got bent. And see how loose and wobbly that is? It's kind of hard to see it in a photograph. But here in a video, a little bit on the sloppy side. I ordered. It's Altus RDM 310. A rear derailleur, and every bit it looks very similar to the one that they sent. However, the one that they sent is lighter. This is the one that they sent. They look really close to the same. However, this is the real one, and this metal here is a little thicker than what they sent is a little thinner. It looks kind of off. And this is a brand new one that they sent to me. Now this is Shimano came in the box. It's kind of steel looking on the back. They don't have the black on it. But, you know what, maybe it's old stock or something. Maybe just they're not made. Well, it was heavier. This one is lightweight, but a lot of stuff, bike stuff, they're working at trying to make things lighter. But there is no play. Move this one back and forth. There's no play. That's the one they sent. And this is it's very similar, but no play right here where my thumb is. The other one is off. And these are straight. And this is the guide that they sent to me. It's straight. Look at that, straight. And no play right here where my thumb is. No play. And of course this is the same as the one that was made. There's just basically a pin that goes in there. There is no adjustment to it. So you can't tighten it up. You can't make it any tighter. But this is the one they sent. And I'm going to put that guy on there. And it's going to be great because it's brand new and it's here. And I got to get that thing put on there. It's been raining like a dog and storming something terrible. I know that's outside and the bike's in the shop. Belly up as you saw it. But I'm waiting for a little bit better weather. A little warmer temp. So I can go out there. I may have to just turn on the heater and go out there and get her done. Both these derailleurs look identical. It's just this one I think was made a little heavier. Maybe because this part here, these parts are a little more substantial steel. Because the connectors and stuff are the same. And this part here looks the same to me. Everything looks identical. It's just this one's a little thicker, a little heavier built. So that would explain why the other one. There's just a slight difference in weight between the two. It's just going by feel in my hand. They look the same. They both got lots of oil on them. They're lubricated well. But they do look the same.